Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if the LinkedIn app is not loading notifications. It's basically not sending you notifications, and in this video I will show you how you can fix this. So in order to fix this, the first thing you want to basically try and do is I have a few different ways to fix this. Fix number one is heading over into settings like this, then just scrolling down till you find LinkedIn in this list. So this is basically your list of apps basically, and all you need to do basically is just trying to find LinkedIn, which is going to be right here. And once you've done that, click on notifications and make sure to enable allow notifications. Once you've done that, make sure to select lock screen, notification center and banners. And basically that's the first thing you want to do. It's really important that allow notifications is enabled, and it's really important that it's set to lock screen, notifications and banners. Now once it's already enabled, it's still not working, and what you can also simply do is enable notifications within the app. To do this, open the app, then go to the top left corner of your screen, click on view profile, then go to the top right corner of your screen, and basically once you've done that, click on notifications. And all you need to do then is basically click on the topics you want to receive notifications for. So for example, groups. All you need to do is make sure to enable allow group notifications. And then you will also see right here what it's going to give you, group invitations. It will give you in-app notifications, push notifications and emails. And just make sure to enable all of those notifications you want to receive for each topic. It's going to take a few minutes to do this, but it's really important. Now, if it's still not working after you've done that, then there might be a bug going on with the app right now. So what you can do is open the App Store like this. All you need to do then is type in LinkedIn and just make sure to update it to the latest version. And that should potentially fix the issue for you as well. Now, if it still did not fix the issue, then there might be a chance that you have basically do not disturb enabled on your device basically. So all you need to do is disable it by clicking on it. And basically it's really important that this is disabled, otherwise you will simply not receive any notifications. And you might also have the mute switch enabled over your phone, so make sure that's also disabled. Now once you've done that and it's still not working, what you can do is head over into settings like this for the last fix, and that is simply clearing the cache over on the LinkedIn app. To do this, go to general, then click on iPhone storage right here. Basically once you've done that, scroll down till you find the LinkedIn app right here, and then simply click on offload app, wait a few seconds, and once you've done that, click on reinstall app through this exact screen, and you will basically clear the cache over on the LinkedIn app. And yeah, that's basically a really easy way to fix any issue with the app. And they're all of the fixes I have for you in this video. So please let me know down in the comments below which fix it for you, or if you still need help. I will definitely help you out in the comments as well. And that being said, please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.